Hey. Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video. Can't really do that much of a intro right now because I am now on my way to go watch Black Panther. So I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes, man. Sad story, people. We come all the way to Montego Bay from Nigger to Mobay to watch Black Panther, and the blasted movie sell out. So now I get some jerk chicken and drown my sorrows in some jerk chicken and red stripe. Willie, you still happy? Or you're still upset?
Yeah, can't with my face.
The man pissed. Man is past the point of pistosity. So I can't watch Black Panther. However, I am going to watch Den of Thieves. And in Jamaica, this is how movie theaters look.
Theater full of teeth.
Theater full of beer teeth. Like people just don't farm lines no more.
Which line?
No more
one
lines.
line. This.
One line. This is one line. This one line.
You ever played with Panther in the snake game?
Right, so they open the door, right? A beer madness. A beer madness, like everybody come to watch Black Panther, but that's what me watching. I want to watch Black Puss and can't watch it because it sell out. I'll come back and sell it, yeah. The next big move will come out by a whole, by like 10-15 tickets and come back and sell it. Our girl I get lift up to right and nobody want to lift me up too. Oh God, I am dying, Jesus. Hurry up, let me get like an AC. Alright guys, I am back home and I'm a bit pissed. I am a bit pissed to be honest, because I drove so far just to watch one movie, and every movie theater in Jamaica tickets sold out. And to make it even worse, they were selling tickets for tomorrow's show today. And when I asked the question, those tickets almost sell out. Almost. So the ticket for tomorrow's show almost sell out. So that means I'm gonna have to wait at least 5 more days before I even attempt to go and watch this movie. Mark my words, before this week ends, I will watch Black Panther. You're wondering why my hands and my fingernails look like this. I was doing tie-dye and I did not use any gloves, so hence why, boom, purple fingers. Yeah. That's the end of this video. I'm gonna go cry after this. If you could just do me a huge favor, it's just a like and subscribe. Help me out. Get me up to 100. I'm at 90 subscribers right now. So, right? Whatever you do it in the name of love. It's not about the amount of days that you're spending here. It's what you all do with each moment. And those are the memories that will last forever. And if you believe that, subscribe. Right now, I'm going to put the trailer of Black Panther at the end of this video. I don't know why I'm spinning so much, but I'm spinning really fast and I'm getting really dizzy. Like and subscribe. Enjoy the trailer. Deuces.
Tell me something. What do you know about Wakanda? It's a third world country. Textiles, shepherds, cool outfits, all a front. Explorers have searched for it. Called it El Dorado. They looked for it in South America. But it was in Africa the whole time. I'm the only one who's seen it and made it out alive. I can see you. The world is changing. Soon, there will only be the conquered and the conquerors.
Step into the spotlight.
You are a good man
Step into the spotlight.
with a good heart. And it's hard for a good man to be a king.